Picture your last birthday. Got it? Now, weird question. Can you see yourself standing in it like a character in the scene? Whatever you just answered, hold it, because roughly half the people watching this just answered the opposite, and neither side knew the other one existed until right now. All right, so here it is, all right? Did you know that this one unbelievable secret to a close friend? Okay, so check this out. Camp 1, the first-person crew. The memory plays from behind your own eyes. You see the cake, the hands, the room, exactly the way you saw it the first time. Scientists call these field memories, and to this camp, it's obvious. Of course that's how memory works. It's a recording. What else could it be? Camp 2 and first-person people, brace yourselves, watches themselves in the memory from the outside, standing in the shot, like footage from a camera nobody was holding. Researchers call this the observer perspective, and it has been documented since the 1980s. This isn't rare, this isn't a glitch, it's just the other half of the room. Yeah, so here's where it gets uncomfortable. Amiko told me this secret. It's so crazy, you have to hear this. So wait, so she's talking about observer memory, right? And think about what an observer memory actually is. You never saw yourself at that birthday. No camera was floating in the corner, which means your brain didn't store that image. It built it, edited it, rendered a shot that never existed, and filed it under true. And studies show memories drift toward that outside view as they age, especially the emotional ones, because watching yourself from a distance literally turns the feeling down. Therapists use that trick on purpose. Yeah, so here's the wildest camp of all. Ask your family for their earliest memory. Some people have scenes from age 2, others have nothing before 6. Both normal, and it tracks with culture and how much your family retold the stories. And in 2015, scientists confirmed the wildest camp of all. People who know their whole past, facts, dates, everything, but cannot replay a single scene. No pictures at all. It's called SDAM, and some of them only found out from videos like this one. So, census time, type your camera angle, first person or observer, add your earliest memory age, then ask the person next to you, because couples and siblings are about to discover they've been filming completely different movies of the same life. And if you replay this video just now, which seat were you in?